हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर सचदेव ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। बच्चों, हमारे प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने आपको एनिमल टिश्यूज़ के बारे में डिस्कस किया था एंड वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट 4 टाइप ऑफ एनिमल टिश्यू। वन इज एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, नेक्स्ट इज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, नेक्स्ट इज मस्कुलर एंड द लास्ट वन इज नर्वस टिश्यू। Firstly, we discuss about epithelial tissue, and in epithelial tissue we have different types. One is simple epithelial tissue, one is simple epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue has following types. One is squamous epithelial tissue. Next is cuboidal epithelial tissue. And next is columnar epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue has 3 types: simple epithelial, one is squamous, one is cuboidal, and one is columnar. Squamous epithelial tissue, we have already discussed about this. Now we started about cuboidal epithelial tissue. बच्चों, it is also part of simple epithelial tissue. That means here the all cells are arranged in a single line. जितनी भी cells हैं सब single line में arrange होंगी. But what the difference between squamous and cuboidal? In squamous also all the cells are arranged in single line. In cuboidal also cells are arranged in single line. In columnar also all the cells are arranged in single line. But the difference is the shape of cell. मेन डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पर? सेल के शेप में. स्क्वामस हैज स्क्वामस टाइप ऑफ सेल एंड क्यूबॉइडल हैज cube like cells. That means you can define what is cuboidal epithelial tissue. You can define cuboidal epithelial tissue is single line arrangement of cells where all the cells are cube like. It is single line arrangement of cells where all the cells are cube like. And in cube like cells a central spherical nucleus present. Here all the cells are cube like cells and these cells have nucleus which present in the central part of cell. Is that clear? Cuboidal epithelial tissue has 3 conditions. One is plain cuboidal, next is ciliated cuboidal, and next is brush border cuboidal. This cuboidal epithelial tissue has 3 conditions. बच्चों, one is plain. What do you mean by plain? The simple define जो आपने यहाँ पर अभी define किया है, that means cube like cells arranged in a single column. This is plain cuboidal tissue. Ciliated cuboidal tissue means if the cube like cells are arranged in a single column just like previous, पहले जैसे यहाँ पर भी cuboidal cells single line में arrange होंगे, but cells have cilia in their upper surface. That's why it is called ciliated. These are small hair like structures called cilia. बच्चों, cilia का function क्या है? cilia क्या काम करते हैं? These cilia provide velocity and direction to any secreted substance of our body. अगर हमारी बॉडी में कोई सब्सटेंस सीक्रेट हो रहा है तो उस सब्सटेंस को एक पर्टिकुलरली वेलोसिटी के साथ आगे भेजना या डायरेक्शन प्रोवाइड करना, ये काम होता है सीलिया का. दैट मीन्स सीलिया प्रोवाइड वेलोसिटी एंड डायरेक्शन. What do you mean by brush border? In brush border cuboidal epithelial tissue, cube-like cells arranged in a single column, but in the upper surface of cell, सेल के अपर सरफेस में हैव विलाई एंड माइक्रोविलाई. सेल्स के अपर सरफेस में सेल हैव विलाई एंड माइक्रोविलाई इन इट्स अपर सरफेस. If cell have cilia in their upper surface, then it is ciliated, and if cell has cube cells has villi and microvilli, villi and microvilli, villi and microvilli in their upper surface, then it is called brush border. बच्चों, cilia is a hair-like structure. Cilia is a hair-like structure. Hair-like structure. And villi and microvilli are finger-like projections. Actually, villi is finger-like projection, and villi further divides in fine projections called microvilli. Villi आपको इस तरह से आप define कर सकते हैं. Some finger-like projections. These finger-like projections are villi, and villi further differentiate into fine projections. These fine projections are microvilli. Finger-like projections called villi. एंड विलाई फर्दर डिवाइड्स इनटू फाइन प्रोजेक्शंस. विलाई में फिर और कुछ छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्शंस आएंगे. दीज फाइन प्रोजेक्शंस आर माइक्रोविलाई. बच्चों, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ विलाई एंड माइक्रोविलाई हियर? विलाई एंड माइक्रोविलाई इंक्रीजेज सरफेस एरिया फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन. increases surface area for absorption. Surface area for absorption. That means if villi and microvilli present in any part of our body part of our organ, then they increases absorption rate in there. अगर विलाई और माइक्रोविलाई किसी पार्ट में पाए जाएंगे, वो वहां पर एब्जॉर्प्शन को ज्यादा से ज्यादा इंक्रीज करेंगे, बिकॉज दे इंक्रीजेस सरफेस एरिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज एग्जाम्पल. The most important thing is example. Plain cuboidal epithelial maximally present in our glands. It's maximally present, maximum glands of our body. Maximum glands of body has plain or simple cuboidal epithelial tissue. Ciliated cuboidal epithelial tissue present in parts of nephron. Present in parts of nephron. Various parts of nephron has ciliated cuboidal epithelial tissue. And the brush border cuboidal epithelial tissue. The brush border cuboidal epithelial tissue present in PCT of nephron. It present in PCT of nephron. नेफ्रॉन का एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है बच्चों PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, and PCT of nephron has villi and microvilli. That means brush border cuboidal epithelial tissue. आप जानते हैं बिकॉज मैक्सिमम जो रीअब्जॉर्प्शन होता है यूरिन फॉर्मेशन के समय वो कहाँ होता है? पीसीटी में. दैट्स वाई इन पीसीटी brush border, or you can say villi and microvilli cuboidal epithelial tissue is present. Is that clear?